A photographer website gives you an opportunity to display your work, answer common questions, and attract new clients. To get started, visit the template store and select Photography in the menu. Choose a template, then click Start with this design. Use a banner image or image block to showcase a single image. Or use a gallery section to display sets of images in a cohesive layout. Use portfolio pages to organize multiple photo projects in one place. You can use this to sort your images by project or topic so potential clients can easily browse your work and find the type of images they're looking for. Acuity Scheduling is our complete online scheduling solution, which you can integrate into your site with a scheduling block. It includes all the tools you need to book appointments with new clients, schedule shoots, send reminders, and more. Form blocks add customizable forms to any content area on your site. While an email address is great for general contact, the form block encourages visitors to answer questions and provide detailed information, helping you avoid unnecessary back and forth. You can also have a call to action button in your site header or footer that encourages visitors to contact you. If you're running a seasonal special or other promotion, an announcement bar is a great way to highlight that information for visitors. Announcement bars display a clickable banner at the top of your site. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.